Hey guys, it's Makeup by Beige. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I did an eyebrow tutorial. Yay! So today was all about brows. I took you through the maintenance, how I get all my unwanted brow hair off, how we fill in and groom and do all of that. If you guys like this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Beige to see more pictures, looks that I do, and to just, you know, interact with me. Thumbs up if you like my hair. I cut the dreads. They're short dreads now. If you guys like this makeup look, definitely let me know if you'd like to see a video on it. This is my everyday makeup routine, so just let me know. And without further ado, and chit chat, let's get on to the video, you guys. Okay guys, so I'm first just going to start off by showing you all the products that you will need if you would like to follow this method of doing your brows. First off, you're going to need a spoolie brush. This is essential because this is what's going to put your brows into place. Next, you're going to need some tweezers to get all the excess hairs. You're going to need old mascara. This is... You're gonna see, okay? A pencil sharpener to go with your eyebrow pencil. This is a lip pencil, but I mean, you know, you could really, you guys know, you can use all pencils really interchangeably depending on how creamy or, you know, stiff they are. An angled brush, concealer, a foundation brush, and last but not least, nair. Know what you guys may be thinking. Nair? Oh my god, yeah. Nair can be like kind of scary for some people. If you have extremely like sensitive skin, or like your skin breaks out over any little thing, or you have acne, you have triple scarring and stuff, I wouldn't recommend this. I wouldn't recommend this method. Like, I really wouldn't recommend this method at all. I'm just showing you guys how I, you know, clean up my brows and do it. You could really do like most of it with the tweezers and stuff, get most of the hair out with the tweezers, but I like to do the nair because it gives me like a shoop and like a, yeah. Oh, and lastly, you're gonna need a towel just to wipe off the nair and stuff. Make sure it's damp. First things first, I'm going to grab my nair and I put some of it on the end of that angle brush. Also, you guys, I forgot to say, I do have an extreme magnifying mirror right here. That's also very helpful when you're getting, you know, your eyebrows into place, you know, removing eyebrow hairs and stuff. I'm going to go underneath, follow the natural shape of my brow, and just clean up the hairs that I don't want there. In 3 minutes, guys. Do not exceed 3 minutes, okay? Don't worry guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's why we have the tweezers to go in right after we've done the nair part. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes now. Now we're gonna go in the middle and on top. The reason I like to use the end of a brush too, because it helps me get really precise, make sure I don't accidentally nair off any parts of my brow that I actually want. And in the event that you do nair off any parts of your brow that you want, then, you know, of course you can just fill it in. Now, I used to get my eyebrows waxed. It's not that I don't like getting them waxed anymore, it's just like, you know, that costs money. So now this is where we are with our brows. So grab your tweezers. Make sure you clean the tip of your tweezers with alcohol before you use them every time. And I'm just gonna go in and pluck all the excess hair. Your eyes are a sensitive area, so if you see my eyes watering, it's not because it like hurts really bad. Like, I mean, you know, it's a pinch, but it's just a sensitive area, and it's a natural reaction for your eyes to water. So I'm not crying, but I guess I am. While you're plucking, you want to make sure you grab your spoolie and like brushing it into the shape that you prefer, so you can make sure any hairs that are outside of that shape get plucked. Okay, so I'm all done plucking and things, and this is how my brows are looking now. They look pretty clean, and I just love having fresh, clean brows because they make my face look 100% more smooth, clean, clear, and everything else. I feel way better about not wearing makeup when I have clean brows rather than, you know, having makeup brows. So next we're just gonna get into the filling process. So I just, you know, kind of started doing my makeup off camera. This is the point where I do my brows. First things first, I'm gonna take the spoolie brush and brush my eyebrows into place. And the reason why I do my eyebrows like in this point of my makeup is because I use a lot of powder, and I don't want all the powder to cover all my eyebrow filling stuff. So take the old mascara. This is Maybelline Shayla Big Shot Mascara, and I'm going to brush through. This step has honestly changed my life, like seriously, because it adds color, it adds hold, and adds shape. Because this is also a spoolie brush. So yeah, if I'm in a rush, like one time I've just done this before and like had to be out the door, and like it looks fine too, like it looks fine. Like this is good for every day if you're like a simplistic type person, like not extra af like me. And if you have like perfect brows, you know who you are. You know who you are. We're gonna build on top of this, and we're gonna go in with the pencil. Make sure if you're using a pencil that needs to be sharpened that the point is kind of sharp, because if you have a dull pencil then you get smudge lines, and with like a sharper point you get cleaner lines, right? And we want clean lines so we don't have to do so much cleanup. I'm just gonna go around, outline my brows. I'm only outlining like from here all the way through. I want the beginning part of my brow to look really natural. After that, just brush it through and blend it in with that mascara. Guys, I want you to remember one thing. Your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, okay? And some days they might be cousins, okay? So don't really stress over like if they don't look really perfect. I try to get mine to match as best as I can, but my eyebrows are like two totally different shapes, really. I always just recommend that you follow the natural shape of your eyebrows, and like you can change like the shape like little by little, like, you know, slightly add a higher arch or slightly take away the arch. And if like you're just comfortable with how this is, you know, like this is quick and easy, you know, and you can really stop, you know, with the pencil and the mascara. But I'm gonna go one more time with the angle brush and my two palettes that I fill my eyebrows in with. I use a red shadow from the 88 Matte and then a dark brown shadow from the 28 Modern Mattes palette, and I just set and, you know, slash fill in my brows with these powders. And I don't use a lot, like it's just like a little bit, because the pencil and the mascara really did a lot of the work. This is just like detail stuff now. Add your color. And then last, we're just gonna clean it up. So now I'm just gonna take the concealer. I'm gonna take the lighter concealer and line underneath my brows. And I like to use a lighter color underneath my brows, because when you get your eyebrows done, when you take all that hair away from the bottom and stuff, it's naturally lighter on the bottom and on top. And it just like brightens up your whole face and gives you like a facelift. And now I'm just gonna carve out the top using a concealer that's, I guess, a shade or two lighter. Just take the foundation brush. I highlight my forehead and I highlight all of this. Speaking from experience, I used to use a darker concealer and like you could see it, like the blend lines. It didn't look good. Didn't look good. And last up, but certainly not least, is, you guys, the gel. I have naturally thick eyebrows and they are unruly, so they will not stay in place. The old mascara will keep them in place, but just for extra reinforcement, and it makes my eyebrows darker. If you have trouble with your eyebrow hairs staying in place and they just like to, ooh, this is for you. We are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see a video on my everyday makeup look, then let me know. I will film that for you guys. I hope I helped all of you guys with filling in your brows. I hope I answered any questions that you may have. If I didn't, just shoot me a comment. Let me know what other questions you have. Let me know what other videos you like to see on my channel. All the products that I use will be listed down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.